Hey everybody, it's Computer Rookie and welcome to my first video of the channel and what is going to start a big series in showing you how to use the computer from the first day you get it to all of the fun stuff you can do once you are more familiar. Alright, so after you get done with your initial setup of your Windows computer, you're going to see two icons in the top left here. The first icon is the recycle bin. Anytime you delete a file, it's going to go to the recycle bin, and then to permanently delete it, you have to go into the recycle bin and delete it from there. You can also restore items from the recycle bin as well. Like say if you didn't mean to delete something, you can go back and restore it and it will go back to its original spot. Microsoft Edge is the browser. This is how you get to the internet, how you search things, go to websites. Like say if you want to go to Amazon here, there's Amazon. There's plenty of browsers, but we're going to use Microsoft Edge until we get to the part where we start discussing different browsers and how to download them. At the bottom, we have the taskbar. Starting from the left, we have the Start menu button, which will give you access to all of your applications here. A few other things like the settings page. Your power options, whether you want to shut down or restart. Next to that, we have the search bar, which you can use to find all the applications in your computer. Like say if we wanted to search Microsoft Edge, there's Microsoft Edge. Also, it shows you other results as well if your search is broad. Like it'll show Microsoft Store, you have Microsoft Word, Microsoft Teams. It also does give you the option to search the web here as well. So say if you wanted to search the web for something, you could actually do it from here instead of opening Microsoft Edge as well. Although I prefer to go into the browser and search. Next to the search bar, you have Task View, which gives you the option to have more than one desktop virtually. Like I had Microsoft Edge open over here on desktop 2, but you didn't see it on desktop 1. So you could actually have two different windows open across both of these, and one will not touch the other. Next to the Task View button, we have Microsoft Edge again. Then we have File Explorer. When you click on that, it opens File Explorer, which holds all of your files on your computer. We'll talk about that more as we go along. We have Microsoft Store, which is the place that Microsoft really wants you to download a lot of your applications because they're verified. They're supposed to be a lot safer than downloading just random files from a browser. What you can do here is link your email and say it'll take Outlook, Office 365, Google, Yahoo, iCloud, and other ones. And that way, so you can actually access your email from there instead of having to go to Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome or whatever you're used to using and go to your email from there. All right, to the right over here, we have a arrow pointing up that opens up the system tray. Now what the system tray is it's actually a list of all of the applications that are running in the background. Like most of the time you're going to see Windows Security here and OneDrive. If OneDrive cloud is gray, it means it's not connected, you're not signed in, like I'm not signed in right here, or it will show blue, that means it's running and it's backing up your file somewhere. Windows Security, I highly recommend you always keep that enabled. The next one we want to talk about is the speaker icon. Speaker icon allows you to change the output settings of your sound. Say if you have external speakers and your monitor has a speaker on it itself and you want that sound to go to your external speakers, you would go here and change it here. If it's not showing up here, I would suggest making sure the connections are good and make sure they're plugged in properly, and it should show up here. Below that, you have the volume controls, so you could actually adjust the volume here, or you can actually just click the speaker button and it will mute it entirely. Next to that, we have our Wi-Fi settings or internet settings. And when I click on it, it's going to show me as connected to network 2 with a monitor and a little cable, what looks like a cable next to it. That means I'm hardwired, meaning I have a blue Ethernet cable connected from my router to my computer. Now, if you're using a laptop, a lot of times you're going to use Wi-Fi. uh, what you will do is when you first open up your computer, it's not going to be able to be connected to any internet if you're using Wi-Fi. So what you'll see here is a white globe looking icon. You would click on that globe and it will show you a list of Wi-Fi's in your area, and you just click on the Wi-Fi that you want. And if it needs a security key, your ISP can provide the security key if it's not on a sticker on your router. Next icon over here is just a Windows update icon. If your computer needs an update, I do suggest you update your computer, but we'll talk more about that later. Time and date. When you click on it, it will show you a full calendar. Talk more about that later as well. Setting up events, alarms, things like that. This is what we call the Action Center. The Action Center shows a bunch of things. It has a bunch of options. Like it actually has an option for nightlight. What the nightlight does is it will actually turn your screen kind of orange. And what that does is block the blue light from hurting your eyes late at night or something like that if you're sensitive to it. All settings takes you to the settings page. Network, same thing as before. It does exactly what this icon right here does. And it also shows any notifications that come up on your computer. All right, that is the end of this video. We will talk more about these and go more in depth in later videos and get you started using your first computer.